Okay, we're going to continue with our introduction. We're going to create a HTML file, and so we're finishing up the head. Okay, the next thing that we're going to put in the head is the title. Okay, so this is a required tag, and if you're this is very important to get correct. It's just an opening title tag and a closing title tag, okay? And then of course in between we put the title. Okay, now I'm using code, the example from page 15 in your book, you know, the Murex HTML5 and CS-103, the 3rd edition. Okay, so the title here we're going to call is Dream Weaver. Whoops, Weaver. Whoa. Okay. There we go. Okay, Dreamweaver book, right? Yes, book. Okay. All right. So I guess I can get rid of this little space there. Okay. Now, in your textbook, they don't have the following line, but they added it at a later time. But I want to put it in now because this is what's going to be in the head in all of our documents, because all of our documents will have an HTML file and then a CSS file to format the code in the HTML file. So the way we link it, all right, is okay. So it's we open the tag, we go link rel, that means a relationship, equals, all right, and it's going to be a style sheet. Okay, that's style, oops, I know, style sheet. Okay, that's what our CSS, what we're doing here is we're telling the HTML file that to go out in the same folder, get this file, that CSS code. So it's type, it has okay, CSS/text. Okay, and then we're going to name the file. Okay, now the file is going to be called book. Okay, so we href, and we're gonna it's a way to link. We're gonna call it book.css. Okay, now later on we're gonna create a file, a cascading style sheet file that's external to this one. So there's going to be 2 different files, and this one's going to link to that to make our file formatted in a different way than it comes out. Okay, so we're done with the head, so we're going to close the head, and we finished that. So oops, sorry. Okay, so next of course we're going to open, and you know, occasionally we've been doing a lot of typing, so I'm just going to save it. Okay, and now we're going to go to the body, and we'll open the body tag. Okay, now this is where we put all our text in. Okay, we got the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a heading. Okay, most pages have a heading, and we're going to look at the heading, different kinds of headings. We're going to use H1. H1 happens to be the largest one. All right, and this is called Dreamweaver CC, and they got 2014 on here, so we'll put that because that's from the book. Okay, then we close H1. All right, oops, and closing, as you noticed, is a slash there. Okay, there. Okay, now we're going to go on to the rest of the body, and the next thing we're going to do is to put an image in. Now, we also have to have the image in the same folder, so we're going to have an image, a JPEG file in the folder that we're saving this in. We're going to have the CSS code, and we're going to have the HTML. So I've sent you that, so I'm going to just save this, and I'll see you on the next video.